This is day 67 of putting my followers and subscribers on top of each other in order to cut the earth in half. Today we heard a strange sound. Everyone got scared, and I decided to check. Listen closely. Oh, it's our helicopter. Yeah, because in this line, everything is normal. Anyway, our line is 37.9 kilometers long because we are 22,000 people. If you want to join this line, subscribe.